In this video, we're going to be looking at how to connect to our server. And before you do anything from PHP to your database, you first have to first of all connect to your server. Then from there you can maybe write to the server, or maybe append to the server, or extract data from the server. Whatever you want to do, you first have to first of all connect to the server. So let's quickly look at how we can do that. Now, in our previous video I told you that we need 3 arguments to connect to the server, of which the first is the host. Okay, now the host in our case is localhost, so just write localhost like this. Okay, now the next thing is what we call the username. So assign all of that to a variable. So we'll say username is now our username was root, so we'll say root, and the last one is the password. Okay, now the password, from what we saw, we don't have a password, so it's just going to be like that. Okay, no spaces. Okay, no spaces because there's no password. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a PHP function for MySQL, and the function is written as MySQL connect or MySQLi connect. Okay, and then you supply the 3 arguments, of which the first one is host, the second one is username, and the last one is password. Okay, so we can check this to know if we are connected. Now let's quickly go to a browser and refresh. You discover that it showed us nothing. That means we can assume that we are connected, but to prove that, we'll quickly, you can use an if-else statement, or you can just say or die. Now you can give your own error statement, like die cannot connect to database. Okay, like that, and then you put your delimiter there. So let's quickly make a mistake here on purpose. Let's save that and let's go and refresh. Now you see that there's an error. Okay, now the error is telling you that just something is wrong somewhere. Cannot connect to database. Okay, so here we're going to put that back, and we'll use an if-else statement to still check. Now I'll remove this and we'll use an if-else statement. Now we can say if, okay, let's assign this to a variable. Let's say this is connect. Okay, let's say this is connect, and we can now say if connect. Okay, if it's connected, then we want it to echo connected. Okay, else it should echo cannot connect to database. Okay, cannot connect to database. Now let's save that and see what we'll get in our browser. Now let's refresh that, and you see connected. That means our connection is okay. Now that is how to connect to a database. But you discover that if we make a mistake here, let's say we change this to root instead of root, and we come here and refresh, it tells you. Okay, so let's go back and click on that. Let me save that. Let me save that quickly. Okay, and let's make a mistake here. Let me still save that. Now let's refresh, and you see cannot connect to what? Database. Now to remove the error and allow our own error to be displayed, you pop an @ sign here. Okay, you pop an @ sign there, and when you refresh, you discover that your error goes out and the else part of our statement is being displayed for us. So that is how to connect to a database. I'll go back and put everything back the way it was. So that is how to connect to a database. And don't forget that you always need to connect to a database before you do anything with your database. I'll see you in the next video.